Hey.
Hi.
Hi. We're just setting up 2 cameras.
Yeah, which we haven't tried before.
Let's see.
So we'll see how that goes.
Oh, you've got your knitting.
I have to wind a new ball of yarn.
Oh.
It seemed a bit distracting.
Okay. People are joining, that's good.
That's good.
Okay, people should be finding us.
Hi.
Hi. Shall we do some introductions?
Yeah, let's do some introductions.
You go ahead.
Okay. I'm Ysolda. I'm the designer and founder of Ysolda.com. And this is my spouse, Kit. Hi.
I'm Kit. I use they, them pronouns, which means when you say hi, we like things like, hey folks, hey over there.
I use she, her pronouns. Sorry, I should have
That's okay.
included that. And we are talking to you from Edinburgh, Scotland today. And
Which is unusually sunny.
it is. We have bright blue skies right now, so
Yeah.
we're enjoying that.
Yeah, it's nice. We've had a kind of hectic week. Do you want to say what you've been up to?
Yes, so this week we have been moving studios, which is a lot. We've been in our current space for 6 years, and yeah, we downsized from 2 studios and a warehouse in the spring, and now we are moving to a new studio, which is in an old textile factory, which I love.
I'm going to see if I can get rid of this notification from our neighbour about their cat.
Okay.
It seems a bit distracting. There's another one. They really want to let us know about their cat.
Yep.
You're doing it upstairs, going well. Yeah, so we've had a busy week, and
Yes.
I have been at home launching a new Knitworthy social club, which we thought we would tell you guys a bit about today.
Yeah, we're really excited about it, and we're thrilled with how excited knitters are about it. And it's it launched yesterday, and it's already kind of buzzing. And
Yeah, I got up this morning and everyone's been chatting in there. That was a little daunting. And good.
Yes, that's
Yeah. A little bit like, I'll make this social club, and then, oh, people are being sociable in it. It's always a bit daunting.
Yeah.
But yeah, so if you're new and just joined us, we have an online community called the Knitwork. Do you see what we did there? I still can't believe I suggested that, and everyone, yeah, it's a great idea. I was kind of joking. But yeah, so
I like it.
we're going with the Knitwork, and it's kind of like an online learning community.
Yeah.
That we put together so that people can kind of just explore their creativity,
Mhm.
make mistakes and not feel too worried about it,
Yeah.
because it's less daunting than on the entire internet. Oh, okay. I
It's
thought
okay.
you were- yeah. And within that, we have little groups and clubs that we've been slowly building up. And we have a new club, which is the Knitworthy Social Club. And the idea is, it's not a knit along. It's, you can knit in there. And we're focusing specifically on Knitworthy Patterns, which Ysolda will tell you a bit about in a minute. But we felt like this kind of time of year gets, for a lot of people, we start to feel like a lot of obligations around our knitting, I think.
That's for sure. Yep.
Yeah, we're feeling that this week. And so we wanted a space where people can just turn up. And one of the knitters who turned up said she wanted to think about her relationship with knitting, which
Yeah,
I just
love
thought was gorgeous, really nice. So... Oh, can people hear us? Can you let us know if you can hear us? Have we just been chatting away and no one can hear us? We probably should check that first of all.
Yeah. We're not muted, so yeah, if you can hear us, can you just give us like a thumbs up or something?
Yeah.
That would be awesome.
It's always delay.
Okay.
That's good.
That's a relief.
Oh.
Okay. So it sounds like if maybe you can't hear, you just need to put your volume up, or check that you've got your volume on.
I'm very good at doing that. Not
Yeah.
putting the volume on.
No.
And then wondering. Okay, good.
Okay, good.
I like it even better when someone says we sound good. Thanks, Becca. You're my favourite.
Okay.
It's a bit soft, but we can hear you. Oh, that's good to know.
And look, we have someone in the network too.
Oh,
Hi, Wendy.
We have 2 screens set up if you're just joining us. We're trying this for the first time. We've got the Instagram Live, hi, and then we've got the Knitwork, hi.
It sounds like we just need to speak up a bit.
I think we need to speak up. I think we're aware of shouting.
Yeah.
That's exciting. So if you've just joined us, I'm Kit.
I'm Ysolda. I use she, her pronouns.
I use they, them pronouns. So feel free to greet us, just not with hi ladies, thank you.
Yeah.
And we are just saying hi with a cup of tea. Does anybody else have a drink this morning? I'm not going to judge what it is. I thought that's a really loaded question. Does anyone else have a drink?
It's also now 11 a.m. for everyone watching.
That's true. That's true.
So yeah, today we're talking about our Knitworthy Social Club, which we just launched yesterday in the Ysolda Knitwork. And if you haven't already joined us there, we hope that you will.
Yeah, we thought it would be nice to say hi, particularly on Instagram, because we've launched a social club with us as the hosts, and it's kind of important. You have a sense, it's like walking into the party, right? You want to know that you have like a wing person with you.
Yes.
Okay, that's what we're here for. Hi, morning. There's lots of coffees. Okay. Ooh, and some chai. That sounds good.
Yeah.
So yeah, we thought we would say hi and just give you like a little sense of this sort of Knitworthy social club that we're talking about, because we are going to focus on Knitworthy Patterns, which I think you should tell people about in a second.
Okay.
But yeah, we've got some live events in there, we've got tutorials, we're going to do some articles that are just for in there, and just kind of explore why it is that we want to knit for ourselves or for other people, and generally be each other's cheerleader. I don't know about anyone else, but after the last 18 months, I personally feel like I could do with cheerleader each day.
Yes. We are celebrating the small wins for sure.
We our daughter's very into Strictly Come Dancing. I don't know how many people what's the US version? Dancing with the Stars?
I think that's something else. I don't know. Maybe it's the same thing.
But there's a fantastic judge called Motzi, who basically just cheerleads everyone at the beginning. She's like, "You can do it. You stepped forward, and that was great." I personally need a Motzi in my day. Just like, you put the kettle on. You did it. So yeah, maybe not that intense in the Knitworthy social, but you know, we're thinking small wins rather than you get this complicated piece to a deadline. Yeah, we don't need more deadlines.
No, but if you have gift knitting deadlines and you want some support with achieving those, or with letting go of the pressure of those, then we definitely hope to deliver on that.
Yeah, and I do know, not for me, I'm not a deadline knitter, but I do know that Ysolda is someone who definitely benefits from a deadline.
Oh, I don't get anything done without a deadline.
No, sometimes we make deadlines during the day just to get through. Yeah. So yeah, do you want to tell people about the Knitworthy Patterns? Because I saw a fantastic comment.
Let's
go back.
Okay, so Seesaw Knits said, "What I love about the Knitworthy Patterns is that with each one I learn something new. They are so clever." I love that.
Yeah, I did a little. Oh.
Yeah. And that was definitely one of my goals. So Knitworthy is a collection of 40 patterns which were released in kind of groups of 8. If you've been following for a while, you might have seen some of them. We did for 5 years, every autumn we did a sort of subscription club of patterns, specifically designed for gift knitting, and that would be projects that would make good gifts. They're all accessories and kind of designed so that hopefully you could knit for people in your life with different styles or different needs, and with the intention of them being fun to make for the knitter. So kind of things where you can learn a new skill or try out a fun new technique on a small project. Yeah.
Perfect. And just for people who are joining, I can see people joining all the time actually. Morning, afternoon, hello, evening. I'm Kit. I use they, them pronouns, and I am sort of part of the digital strategy team at Ysolda.
It makes us sound like we have 100 people, but yes.
Yeah, me and my 15 strong team. It's just me.
And I'm Ysolda. I use she, her pronouns. I'm the knitwear designer, and sort of founder of the company. And
we're just kind of chatting through Knitworthy Patterns and the Knitworthy Social Club. And we're having a Knitworthy Social Club social in a week's time. Once you put the word social in, I was like, I don't know what to call it now. Where we do some more lives, and we're hoping it'll be sort of more interactive than this. It's kind of the idea. We've got some ideas.
We're doing a sort of knit night, although it's afternoon for our time, but we're trying to experiment with times that work for people in different time zones.
Yeah, it's a bit daunting.
Working around like our childcare and stuff. So it's next Saturday.
And sleep.
And sleep, yeah.
It's next Saturday.
Yeah.
So if you want to join us, we should probably tell you all these things that we've been talking about. The easiest way to find out about everything is just go to www.ysolda.com, and on the homepage there's all the stuff about the Knitworthy Social Club, there's all the stuff about Knitworthy, there's stuff about Musselburgh. Apparently people are really into Musselburgh. And a few hat patterns that you'll find there, which is not part of this, but you'll find lots of things and free learning content too.
Yes.
So yeah, go check it out, and you should probably also let people know there's a sale.
Oh, there is a sale going on. So if you want to knit any of the 40 Knitworthy patterns, we're also doing a 20% off sale on any of the Knitworthy patterns or the sort of ebook collections, which each include 8 patterns. And the coupon code for that is Knitworthy Social, all one word. I'm just going to type that in the comments.
Oh, you're better at live typing than me.
We'll see if I spell it. Well,
your phone auto-generated it. Sorry, I'm fascinated. I've been typing Knitworthy all week and my phone has not learnt it.
Maybe if once you've been typing it for 7 years.
No, just Knitworthy Social.
Like that?
Okay.
There is the coupon code for 20% off, and that works on our website or Ravelry. And you can find a link to the collection of which patterns are included in that on our homepage. And if you go to the designer page on Ravelry, there's a bundle as well.
Somebody asked if they are flat knitting or in the round.
They are a mixture. Most of the projects that could be knit in the round are knit in the round, like hats and cowls and things. But there are also some shawls and scarves that are knit flat off the top of my head.
That's good. People are saying hi in the Knitworks.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So if you'd like to just come and join in the Knitwork, which is the online community, which is not part of the group, that's free access. You can just come in, have a look around and get to know people. We're posting loads of different content there. We just really like the idea of having a smaller, more focused space that we can kind of work on our goals. And it's safe to say, for those who are just joining it, we've had a busy year. We closed an online store, like a physical shipping things out store. Yeah. Changed studios. And so we're trying things out and consolidating a little bit. So it feels like we're not spreading ourselves too thin then by having this sort of online community of people who don't want to miss anything. And we also have a newsletter too.
We do have a newsletter,
And all the details of those you can find on www.ysolda.com. I so feel like a TV presenter. Calls will be charged. It's like one of those, isn't it? www. Sorry, I
don't vote until the
show
is over.
I'm definitely tell everyone strictly. So we're just looking at my notes. We're not just looking at my lap.
Sorry. Yeah,
we write notes to help us. We're very forgetful. I think that's probably it. I'm just gonna have a look. I expanded not just Kate. I expanded my repertoire with Knitworthy Patterns. Love them all. Oh, that's so nice to hear.
Thanks, Kate. It's good to see you here. So I think that's all of our notes covered.
We are now going to try, by the power of technology, to turn off 2 sets of lights and then put the recording somewhere.
We're going to put the recording on, we'll post it to Instagram. God, I don't know if it goes on IGTV or Reels now. I guess IGTV.
I don't know.
We'll figure that out.
It goes on the internet.
Yeah.
And then cloud.
We'll try and... Stop talking about technology.
I'm a digital strategist.
We will put it on YouTube as well and post that video. I don't know, maybe on the network it just goes up immediately. We'll figure it out.
People don't need to know that we're just completely inept. It's fine. I don't actually know how to... Oh, I can see end live videos. This is going swimmingly.
Yeah.
There's a question.
We can answer that.
Yeah, do it.
I'm loving making Musselburgh. Does anyone else find their attention varies when using DPNs and circulars? Yes. I would say after years of teaching, more people probably have that issue than don't. And some people do use a bigger size of DPNs. Usually it's DPNs are tighter because you're kind of trying to make sure you don't drop all your needles. Yeah. So you could try going up a size, or sometimes using a bamboo needle for your DPNs helps you loosen things up a bit because they're a bit grippier, and then switching to metal on a circular will kind of even out your gauge. But yeah, very common problem. We do have some blog posts about gauge and swatching that have more tips in them as well, so you might want to check those out. All right,
that was lovely. Brilliant.
Great. Okay. Hopefully we're going to do a very clean goodbye now, because this is a bit I hate when people scramble around. Well, thank you for watching, everyone.
Okay,
We will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.